Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us again. Our last story about Jennifer Aniston was very popular, but today we are talking about a woman who is even more disciplined. She is the queen of fashion and the wife of David Beckham. We are talking about Victoria Beckham.
Hi, Emma. Hi, friends. I am still thinking about Jennifer's yoga, but Victoria is truly amazing. I read an interview with her husband, David. He said that Victoria has eaten the same dinner every single day for 25 years. Emma, is that true? Is it even possible?
According to David, it is true, Alex. Victoria is very, very strict with her food. For 25 years, she has only eaten grilled fish and steamed vegetables. No butter, no oil, and no heavy sauces. She wants to stay healthy and look perfect for her fashion business.
25 years of fish and vegetables? I love salmon, but every day? That is incredible. She is definitely famous by her discipline. I don't think I can do that. I need a big pizza on Saturdays.
She is famous by her discipline. Listeners, let's stop for a moment. Alex said she is famous by her discipline. Does that sound right to you? Think about the small word after famous. Is it by or for? Famous by. Well, dear students, remember this rule. In English, when we talk about the reason why someone is well known, we always use the preposition for. We say, she is famous for her style. So, Alex, the correct way is, she is famous for her discipline. If you caught that mistake, you are a super learner. Your English is getting better every minute. Alex, let's say it correctly. Everyone, please repeat after us. She is famous for her style.
She is famous for her style.
Victoria is famous for her family.
Victoria is famous for her family. Famous for. Okay, I will remember that. So she is famous for her dinner, but what about the morning? I heard she starts her day with something very sour. Is it apple cider vinegar?
Exactly. She drinks 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar every morning on an empty stomach. She says it is her secret for energy and glowing skin. She doesn't like coffee. She only likes her vinegar and her fish.
Vinegar and fish? My stomach is not happy just thinking about it. But she looks beautiful, so maybe she is right. I want to know more about her rules.
You look tired, Alex. Did you run to the studio today?
No, Emma. I am just looking at Victoria's workout routine. It is crazy. I read that she wakes up at 5:30 in the morning every day to exercise. She spends 2 hours in the gym. 2 hours! I usually spend 2 hours sleeping at that time.
She is very consistent. She starts with a 7-kilometer run on the treadmill, and then she works with a private trainer for another hour. She says it gives her a clear mind for her fashion business. Look at this photo from her Instagram. What is she doing there?
Oh, I see. In this photo, she worked very hard with big weights. She looks so strong. Her muscles are amazing for a woman of 50.
Stopping, repeating slowly. In this photo, she work very hard. Wait, listeners, let's look at this sentence. Alex is describing a photo. He is talking about an action happening right now in the picture. He said she work. Is that correct? She work. Well, friends, remember our grammar rule. When we talk about an action happening now or an action in a photo, we must use present continuous. We need the word is and the ending ing. So the correct way is she is working hard. If you added the ing in your head, you are a grammar champion. Alex, let's fix it. Repeat after me, and everyone at home, please join us. She is running now.
She is running now.
She is lifting weights.
She is lifting weights. She is working hard. Yes, I always forget the ing. But Victoria never forgets her workout. And I heard she has another very strict rule. She never eats fruit juice or sweets. She only eats berries for dessert. Is that right, Emma?
That's right. Victoria says that sugar is the enemy of the skin. She eats berries like strawberries or blueberries because they have vitamins but not too much sugar. She says she doesn't miss the cake at all.
Sigh. No cake, no juice, just fish and vinegar. She is a woman of iron. I think I am beginning to understand why she is so successful. It is all about the mind.
Exactly, Alex. Her body is just a result of her strong mind. But is it too much? Some people think her life is too difficult. What do you think, listeners? Is Victoria's life a dream or a nightmare?
So, Alex, we have seen her dinner, her morning vinegar, and her long workouts. But Victoria has one more rule that many people find very difficult. It is called the 5 hands diet. Do you know what that is?
5 hands? That sounds like a horror movie, Emma. What does it mean? Does she have 5 hands in her kitchen?
No, Alex. It means she only eats 5 small portions of food every day. Each portion must be the size of her palm, the palm of her hand. She eats high-protein foods like smoked salmon, prawns, or scrambled eggs. She says this keeps her metabolism very fast and her body very lean.
Only 5 small palms of food? My hand is not very big, Emma. I think I would be very angry and very hungry. But Victoria is now 50 years old and she is a global icon. She says her secret is not just the food, it is the absolute consistency. She does the same thing every day no matter what.
She don't stop. Wait, listeners, did you hear that? Alex said she don't stop. Let's check our grammar together. Is that the correct way to say no for Victoria? Think about our rule for the person she. She don't stop. Well, friends, remember this very important rule. In a negative sentence, when we talk about he, she, or it, we do not use don't. We must use doesn't. So the correct way to say it is she doesn't stop. She doesn't eat sugar.
She doesn't eat sugar.
She doesn't skip her workout.
She doesn't skip her workout.
Victoria doesn't like pizza.
Victoria doesn't like pizza. She doesn't. Yes, I see it now. It is always about that extra S sound in the word does. Well, I am very inspired by Victoria today. I want to be consistent with my English too. I will practice every single day just like she eats her grilled fish.
That is the spirit, Alex. English is like a muscle. If you don't use it, you lose it. Victoria says that discipline is a form of self-love. By taking care of her body, she is taking care of her future. What about you, dear listeners? Could you eat the same food for 25 years? Or do you think life is too short for such a strict diet? Please share your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one.
Yes, we want to hear from you. And if you enjoyed our conversation about Victoria Beckham, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us create more slow English stories for you. Thank you for being such amazing students today.
And don't go away for too long. In our next lesson, we're leaving the fashion world and going to outer space. We will look at a man who works 100 hours a week and wants to build a city on Mars. Yes, we are talking about the extreme work routine of Elon Musk. You don't want to miss it.
100 hours? I need a nap just hearing that. Goodbye, everyone. Stay consistent.
Goodbye for now.
See you soon.